Today we're taking a look and comparing two walking pads. Why? Because I've had these for about a month now and they both cost around the same amount of money. And they do have a bunch of similar features. So I want to see which one is a better deal for your money. So this here is the UREVO Space Walk 3. And this here is the FlexiSpot Auto Incline Walking Treadmill. So let's get into it and compare some features. So these are both walking pads, which means they are not designed for running on. So neither of them have a standing bar, but they do both have wheels and a handlebar, which makes them great for packing away. They do both have info screens and they do both have remote controls, and they both offer a 2-year warranty. The Spacewalk speed range is 0.6 to 4 miles per hour, and the FlexiSpot also has the exact same amount of speed range. So the first difference is the incline feature. See, the Spacewalk has 9 levels, but it has a total of 9-degree incline. Now the FlexiSpot also has a 1 to 9 levels, but actually goes up to a 12-degree incline during use. Now those 3 degrees may not seem like a big deal, but when you're walking on an incline, those extra 3 degrees really makes you feel that burn, which, you know, if you're aiming to burn calories, it just really enhances that. They are similar in size, with the Spacewalk being 47.2 inches by 19.3 and the FlexiSpot actually being a little bit wider at 47.6 by 18.5 inches. Now for me personally, I like the length of the UREVO Spacewalk, but I really appreciate the extra width on the FlexiSpot because I have a habit of really not walking 100% straight. The FlexiSpot has a weight capacity of 275 pounds, where the UREVO only can hold 265 pounds. Now both are similar in capacity, but if you are someone who is worried about the weight capacity, I think it's probably better to go the higher capacity. Plus it allows flexibility to add weights into your workout. So let's do a quick speed round and summarize a list of features that are similar to both. The price point. As of time of recording, they come in at $349. They both have the 9 levels of incline, with the FlexiSpot that has the extra 3 degrees. FlexiSpot's running pad is slightly wider, but Speedwalk is slightly longer. They both have a low noise level, coming in at under 45 decibels. The Spacewalk just fell short with the weight capacity, and they're both using the 8-pad shock absorbing pads. But there is one thing that sets these two apart, and if you're like me and you like to vibe while walking, the FlexiSpot edges out the Spacewalk because it has an inbuilt Bluetooth speaker. So it means when you're choosing one of the different exercise options they have with the 6 personalized settings, you can just jam out to your own music. So if you are interested in the FlexiSpot Auto Incline Walking Pad, We are going to be leaving a link below. Share this with a friend who may find it interesting. Leave a comment on which was your favorite feature. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more great reviews like this.